I wish I could be with you all this weekend for your conference, but I had to hop on here to wish you all the very best and check in with you on what you're doing here in Oklahoma. I know Zomi Americans from across the nation are gathered in Tulsa today, and I hope that you get to see how Zomi Oklahomans are thriving.
Our favorite People Choice Award goes to number 10, Thang Ken Tuang.
Zolia Tulnile Somnile Zolia People Choice Award Zolia Number Gyat Jingan Nu. Winner number Sagi.
Wow, if you could step one step forward and show your design. Who do you think will win this fashionista title? It's the number 6. How they son! All right, if you could show your dress to the people, to the audience. Yeah, there you go.
Tul nile som nile li Zomi idol la hiloma Zolia wai lam wale Zolia number ni Le oi lam dim India.
Congratulations! Hi pe gia đình đã Zolia here. Dâu ta ngã bên number 2 Thang Ken Tuang, Kentucky Party. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah,คุณเบคอมเนี่ย Congratulations. Yeah. 2024 Zomi Idol winner Idol number Som Lê Ni Minh Mơ.
this one, right? This one is called Beautiful Pain. And I want to welcome someone special. His name is YZK Power.